Tuttnauer Autoclave Parts. Are you looking for OEM Tuttnauer Autoclave Parts? Well, look no further. StathamUSA.com stocks all of the Tuttnauer Autoclave parts you need, from the small models to the large ones, from the manual units to the automatic ones. Take a look at how organized and efficient this parts room is. This room is completely dedicated to stocking Tuttnauer Autoclave parts so that when you know what part you need, we are able to ship it to you the same business day you place the order. StathamUSA.com caters to any line of business, including, but not limited to, medical, dental, tattoo, veterinary, hospitals, and labs. Don't know what Tuttnauer Autoclave parts you need? Call our free technical support line and save yourself some money on an expensive site visit. 704-966-1650, extension 3 for free technical support. We will help you troubleshoot and diagnose for free. And get this, every single one of our Tuttnauer parts ships for free on our website, StathamUSA.com. StathamUSA.com specializes in sales, service, and repair on any make and model of Tuttnauer autoclaves. We are your one-stop shop. Please do not hesitate to call us for your Tuttnauer autoclave parts needs, as we do nothing but work on tabletop autoclaves. We are the fastest growing autoclave company in the nation for a reason. Try us today, you won't be disappointed.